In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit audio in CapCut PC. Whether you're fine-tuning a voiceover, balancing background music, or adding sound effects to enhance your project, CapCut provides an intuitive platform to handle it all. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the skills to import, trim, adjust, and refine audio like a pro. If you don't already have CapCut installed, you can find a link in the description to download the software. Now, let's dive in and get started. First, let's talk about importing audio into your project. If the audio is already attached to a video clip in your timeline, simply right-click on the clip and select Extract Audio. This will separate the audio from the video, placing it on its own dedicated track. The reason for doing this is that it allows you to edit the audio independently without affecting the video itself. On the other hand, if you're working with an audio file that's separate from your video, like an MP3 or WAV file, drag and drop it directly onto the timeline. CapCut supports multiple audio formats, so you won't need to worry about compatibility issues. Now that your audio is in the timeline, let's move on to trimming and splitting it. To trim unwanted sections from the beginning or end of your audio clip, click and drag the edges of the clip inward. This will shorten the waveform, making it easy to cut out silence or irrelevant parts. If you need to isolate a specific section of the audio, move the playhead to the desired position, then press Ctrl+B on your keyboard or click the split button. This will divide the clip at the playhead, giving you more precise control over editing. If you accidentally split the clip in the wrong place, don't worry, you can use the undo function to go back a step or simply readjust the clip as needed. Next up, let's adjust the volume of your audio. Start by selecting the audio clip, then use the volume slider located in the right-hand panel to increase or decrease the loudness of the entire clip. This is especially helpful for balancing background music with dialogue or correcting uneven microphone levels. If you need more nuanced control, look at the white line running through the audio clip on the timeline. You can drag points on this line to create volume adjustments at specific moments, like fading music out during a voiceover, or emphasizing a particular sound. Speaking of fades, adding fade in and fade out effects can make your audio transitions much smoother. To do this, look for the small white handles at either end of the audio clip. Click and drag these inward to create a gradual fade at the start or end of the audio. This is a great way to avoid abrupt starts or stops that might distract your audience. Now let's enhance the overall quality of your audio. Select the audio clip and head over to the Audio tab in the right-hand panel. Here, you'll find an option called Enhance Voice. Enabling this feature applies tools like background noise reduction and echo cancellation, which can dramatically improve the clarity of voice recordings. This is particularly useful if you're working with audio recorded at home or in a setting with some ambient noise. Just keep in mind that while this feature can clean up minor imperfections, it's not a substitute for high-quality recording equipment. To add some creativity to your project, CapCut also includes a library of built-in sound effects and music. You can browse through the options, then drag your chosen sound or track onto the timeline. Whether you're adding ambient noise to set the mood, a jingle to introduce your video, or a sound effect to emphasize an action, these elements can really elevate your project. Finally, if you need to record a voiceover directly in CapCut, it's easy to do. Simply click the record button and start speaking into your microphone. This will create a new audio track in your timeline, perfect for adding commentary, instructions, or narration to your video. And that's it. You've just learned how to edit audio in CapCut PC, from importing and trimming to enhancing and adding creative elements. You now have all the tools you need to manage audio with confidence. If you have any additional questions or tips, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.